હા કહો શું કહેવાનું છે? 10 રૂપિયા આપું? કેમ આપું 10 રૂપિયા? 10 રૂપિયાનો શું કરશો? ના બસ 10 રૂપિયાનો શું કરવાનું છે? બિસ્કિટ ખાવાનું છે 10 રૂપિયાના. તો હું બિસ્કિટ આપી દઉં ને તમે? બિસ્કિટ જોઈએ છે? ક્યાં છે બિસ્કિટ? Good morning YouTubers, this is Roy here and today we are starting for a ride. We are going for a Sunday casual ride. There are 2 new riders who are joining us that you will see later. Destination I'm not disclosing it now. You will see on the way because thing is that the destination is not decided yet. It's a very casual ride. We are no, I'm not going to disclose that, so you better watch it. See you. Let me take you on video. Let me take you on video. You're on video now. So that's the Interceptor. So any comments? Any comments on your Interceptor? How is it?
Fantastic bike, I would say. And I'm pretty much enjoying
okay.
the ride that you're doing. Yeah.
Good bike. It's a beautiful bike.
Thanks.
The looks are too good. That's the Interceptor, guys. It's a beautiful bike. It doesn't look like Ari and mind blowing. So we'll catch up later.
You can do that sound thing.
Yeah.
To record it. Let me
Switch it on. Yeah, switch it on.
exhaust note of this.
I think raise it a bit. Look at the sound, guys. I could feel the punch here. Amazing, amazing. Very nice. This bike actually reminds me of what, you know, it reminds me of RD.
Yeah.
This bike reminds me of RD 350.
It looks like that.
It looks like RD 350. It gives that feel, that nostalgic feel. So, a good bike. So we are at Balaram. This is a river which is supposed to be a river, but as you can see, this is all dirty. The water is very dirty. It's all stagnant. People have thrown. This is what happens to Indian heritage. Things are not maintained. There's a temple here which I can see. That's it. Nothing else to see here. Nothing else to venture. People have really not taken care of this. If someone from Gujarat government is seeing my vlog from tourism, please do something about this place. This place is gone to dogs, and I would not suggest anyone visiting this place. This is not a place to visit. It's very dirty. It's very sad to see such kind of places. Really sad to see such place.
Yeah.
Really, this is supposed to be, Balaram is supposed to be one of the heritage and royal families are staying here, and this is what it is. And children begging around here. So, not at all a worth good experience. So, I would not suggest anyone to come here. What do you say, Manoj?
Yeah.
Bad place. Matlab, very badly maintained.
Nothing much to say.
No, this was supposed to be a river, which is now
Filthy river.
a filthy nala hai aur
Kai
kuch
hai.
nahi hai. So
Disappointing.
It's very disappointing. So yeah, that's what Balaram is all about.
We have only one hope left, which is of the resort. The
resort, the palace. If we go there, we are going there. That's the only place left. The rest I don't have hopes from Balaram. So will not suggest people to come here. Yeah. This is guys Balasanor Palace.
आप लोग नहीं क्या उसके शोरूम में गए थे?
हाँ. So you people accidented it.
We didn't.
Then who did? Oh, you must have done it. Now is that
बाइक का तो एक्सीडेंट होना ही चाहिए.
poor guy has gone to get his interceptor. You want to ruin his interceptor also. Oh my god. Okay. So we are at Balaram Resort. We are at Balaram Resort. You can see that's the Haveli. This was a palace converted into a resort now. So this is how it looks. There are cottages here, one can see. And those are also cottages. So the rooms, that's the main palace building. With some golf carts around. As you can see, that's the place. Beautiful place. There's something written on the stone. The Balaram House, named after the Balaram River, which is completely ruined at the moment, on the banks of which it stands, was built by Lieutenant Colonel His Highness Zuabtul Mulk Diwan Mahakam Nawab Shri Tali Muhammad Khan Bahadur GCIE KCVO ADC, the 29th ruler of the Palanpur state. The site was selected by His Highness and the foundation of the house was laid on 1st October 1922. The construction of the main house was completed in 1935 and the gardens surrounding it were laid out in 1936. So these are the gardens. That's the main palace building. This is how it looks, guys. Yeah. All the bikes parked in line. Duke, CBR, Harley, CBR, again CBR and Interceptor. The lunch is over and now we are leaving, starting from here. What are you planning to? We are leaving the Balaram Resort. And hopefully distance is around 150 kilometers from here. So hopefully we will finish the ride in next 2 to 3 hours maximum, with breaks and everything. So yeah, so the ride starts now. Enjoy.